you're interested in creating apps, websites, and other digital products that people want to use and people want to love, the UX design field is the best field for you. So let's see how to get us started. Hello my dear friend, welcome to my channel. My name is Nushin. I'm senior UX designer at CIBC in Toronto, Canada. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to get a start in UX design. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I'm going to share more videos about UX design inspiration and the design process and so much more interesting things about UX design. Now you might be wondering, where do I even begin? And it can be really hard to know where to start. Well, don't be scared, I'm here to help. First things first, let's talk about what is UX. UX stands for user experience, and it's all about creating websites, apps that are easy to use and enjoyable. It's all about putting the user first and creating the experience that is efficient, effective, and intuitive. Now let's talk about how to get started. The first thing you need to learn is to learn the basics. There are tons of great resources out there, from online courses to books and blogs. You want to learn things like about user research, usability testing, wireframing, prototyping, accessibility. One great resource to learn all of these basics is online courses. Sites like Udemy, Coursera, Skillshare offer a wide range of courses on UX, ranging from beginner level, introductory to more advanced topics. One of the cheapest one is also IDF, Interaction Design Foundation, that I also got into when I wanted to start in UX design. Many of these courses are self-paced, so you can learn them at your own speed, and it's really great. Another great way to learn UX design is to attend local meetups or events. I think these are great opportunities to meet other designers, learn about the latest trends and tools, and get feedback on your work. Look for meetups in your local area by using like meetup.com or Eventbrite. One of the best ways to learn UX design is to practice. Start with a small project. Redesign an app you use every day. Well, don't go and redesign Instagram or Spotify or like TikTok because they have great designs and there are tons of research beneath them, so don't do that. Go and check like what are the apps that you're struggling in terms of using it. What are the pain points of the app that you're having? What are the features that are missing from the app? So go and check that out and just redesign. So it's a way for you to practice and evaluate your design process. Or you can also create a landing page website for a product that you're very interested in. Don't worry about making it perfect. The important thing is to practice your skills and get comfortable with the design process. Another great way to learn UX design is to find a mentor. Look for someone in your field who can give you guidance and feedback on your work. This could be your coworker, a friend, or even someone you find online. There are also mentorship programs available out there through professional organizations such as UXPA, AIGA, or ADP List, which provide free mentorship. Once you learned all of the basics, it's time to create your strong portfolio. Your portfolio is a collection of your best work, and it's the key to land your first UX design job. Start by working on showcasing the projects that you worked on, and make sure to highlight your process and the results that you've achieved. I'm gonna share one video about portfolio as well in future. When it comes to finding your UX job, networking is key. Attend industry events or connect with other designers on LinkedIn, and make sure your portfolio is up to date and ready to share. And don't be afraid to reach out to designers and ask for advice or feedback. The UX community is super supportive and willing to help. The other thing I want to mention is to learn Figma and also learn Webflow for your portfolio presentation. Almost everyone in the UX field are using these two tools, so they are most important and very effective and useful tools that you can learn and invest time in learning them for yourself. Finally, remember that UX design is a constantly evolving field. Stay up to date with the latest trends and tools. So these days there's AI that is really popular among everyone and also UX designers. So it's really helpful that you keep up with the trends and keep practicing. And I promise you, with investing time and effort, you'll be creating amazing user experiences in no time. Thanks everyone for watching this video until the end. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you won't miss out on the future videos about UX design and technology and design inspiration. Until the next video, bye!